Happy Diwali, friends. My video today is going to be useful for you for Diwali as well as for the rest of the year, for all the buffets, all the sit down dinners, all the events that you do. One of the problems we all have is wax dripping down the candles and onto our tablecloths. I'm going to share with you something that I found out rather late. This is a disc with a hole in it, and this disc is what you have to put around the candle and bring it down so that it sits at the top of your candle stand. And instead of the wax dripping onto your tablecloth, it drips onto the little glass disc, as you can see it happening right here. It doesn't go down to your tablecloth. Now, another problem we all have is when you have a large table with a lot of guests and you want candles all down the table, but you don't have enough candle holders or candle stands. You might supplement with tea lights and tea light holders and pillar candles, but tapers, long candles look elegant and you want more of them than you are able to have because you don't have enough candle holders, candle stands. Here is a trick I'm going to share with you very quickly. Take any glass from your kitchen, an ordinary glass. Fill it up with pebbles like this or like this. Put your taper into the middle of those pebbles. Fill the glass with water. Stick a bloom or two around the candle. Put a leaf or two around the candle. And you have an improvised candle stand that is ready and that can hold long tapers, because this glass, for instance, is quite tall itself. It can hold a long taper. Let's move on to when you have half burnt candles which you want to use. You cannot put them into tall glasses, but you can put them into champagne goblets. Have a look. Do the same thing. Put pebbles into the goblet, fill it with water, put your candle in the middle of the pebbles, and you have a candle stand ready for half burnt candles. In this case, it is better not to use blooms because the candles are short anyway and they will start singeing your flowers. If I remove the bloom, it still looks quite nice. So in this case, with half burnt candles, shorter candles, you can just avoid the blooms. Now, if you have silver candle stands like I have right here, but I don't have enough of them, what I could do, and what I actually often did, is I created my own improvised silver candle holders to hold tapers for my large dinner table. This is a silver glass, water glass, or a glass for a cold drink. In this case, it is not transparent, so I don't need to use fancy or colorful pebbles. I can just use pebbles like this. Or I can use wet sand or wet soil. Fill it up with wet soil. Stick the flower and a couple of leaves into that wet soil. Stick your candle in the middle of the wet soil or wet sand. And there you go. You have a new improvised candle stand in silver. It is quite tall, so it can again hold tapers, long tapers. So I hope you're going to find these tricks useful. Enjoy your Diwali, enjoy all your events. Let me know if you have any questions. Happy Diwali again. And have a beautiful table which is aglow with lots of candles. Thank you very much for watching my video.